Email verification failed on Cryptocom Fix. If your Cryptocom email verification isn't working, don't panic. This is a common problem, but it can be solved quickly with the right steps. Start by carefully reviewing the email address you entered. Even one small typo, extra space, or missing character can prevent the verification email from being sent. Precision is key. Next, check all folders in your email, including spam, junk, and promotions. Automated emails from Cryptocom sometimes get filtered incorrectly. Once you find the verification email, click the link as soon as possible because these links can expire within a short time frame. If the email still hasn't arrived, request a new verification email from the Cryptocom app or website. Resending the link resolves the problem for most users. Browser or device issues can also interfere with email delivery. Clear your browser cache. Try a different browser or use the Cryptocom mobile app to ensure the verification email is received. Email providers sometimes block automated messages. If this happens, consider signing up with a different email address, preferably Gmail or Outlook, which are more reliable for receiving verification emails. Finally, if all else fails, contact Cryptocom support. Explain the steps you've already taken, and they can manually verify your account so you can start trading immediately. Remember, check your email carefully, inspect all folders, resend the link if necessary, try another browser or device, and contact support if needed. Following these steps will usually fix the issue quickly and get you trading on Cryptocom without delay.